Okay, my minions, this is a bit of a weird one because the Glass House Tavern there said I could not do any videos about them or their spot, but fuck them, right? So anyway, I'm here at this little cemetery. This is Sandy Boulevard, I do believe. That used to be the Flamingo. Oh, wow. But see here. Here again, this is Dog of the Dead. Tone Dog barking at you. Trying to lay you here over the traffic here. But folks, here we go. What do you think here? Another one of those just kind of forgotten places that the city has just kind of grown up around, right? So the point, it's like, look at this. And these are the ones that are getting the most of my attention on YouTube and stuff are these little forgotten places that are just right here in plain view of all of us, but are so forgotten because society and progress has just built up around them, I suppose. Let's see, there should be the name here for this. Cemetery rules. Oh, here we go. Let's go up here. I'm going to switch this around. Okay. This is Tone Dog, Dog of the Dead, Columbia Pioneer Cemetery, Oregon Historical Cemetery, established 1877. Right here off of Sandy Boulevard, Florida Airport, Seattle, Northeast Lombard Street. We're in Porknose Park Road. And anyway, we just had to do this a little bit because one of the things I enjoy is trying to make sure some of these people are not forgotten, you know? Zimmerman, I don't know who your family was, but this cemetery, I'll walk through it a little bit. We'll switch it around here. See, this is obviously being used. I can't read the name or anything, but yeah, there's still people being grieved here. Obviously, it's kind of cool. Like, you people have to understand that I really like these places. Because like I said, these are not these are for us. These places are for us that are still living, whether we knew any of these people or not. This is to remind us that's still living. Someday we're gonna be just like and hopefully if we're lucky, we might have a few people that'll come and leave flowers at our graves. Maybe they'll carve us huge monuments if we're real lucky, or we got a lot of money, right? Or maybe just maybe, people like me and you will stop and take our time to acknowledge. Yeah, I'm crying a little bit, and I'm wet, and it's raining, and my feet are squishy, and I'm grumpy because I've been out in this crappy weather. To do Dog of the Dead for you folks, and for me. No, I like doing this, and I'm really not in that bad of a mood because these places, I don't know why, kind of cheer me up. Oh, wow. Oh, stone. Oh, yeah. And anyway, so this has been Tone Dog talking at you, my minions. I really do love you people. I hope you know that, because you're the only family, really, or friends that I have left. Now, there's a few out there, and slowly but surely, and don't call me Shirley, y'all start popping your heads up. Even if it's in here. Even if it's in here, my friends. I love you. So, we're back to Tone Dog and Dog of the Dead. Right? Look at this. Columbia Pioneer Cemetery. Peace, my friends.